Hey boys, went back from breakfast this morning, had a nap, had a shower, freshened up, and we're out for the afternoon. Currently heading, I don't even know where we're going, but we just need to get some cash real. So we're gonna go get some extra cash, Western Union, also. And then after that, no, I want to either go to Devon House. What that mean? One of my uncle don't like that people. But I want to go to Devon House or Bob Marley tour. Bob Marley, you know, museum something. I've been to Devon House like multiple times obviously, but I want to go there for the party specifically. I want to try the cargo this time around. And I actually did the Devon House tour some time ago, and that was quite interesting. They just gave you the historical rundown of the previous owner, his family lifeline and so forth. So yeah, that's the plan, and I'll check in with you guys later. As you can see, I'm on the street and on the North Jamaica run now. We came here at 2:07. They have a 2 o'clock tour and they have a 3 p.m. one. The gentleman at the door said that we could rush to the accounting team and come back to him and get in. But the lady, the customer service rep, was just like, no, you guys have to do the 3 p.m. one. So we're just sitting down now in the car, just like cruising out. And I'm gonna get a drink soon. I'm probably a little sandwich or something. I don't know if I can do something nice, but the ticket was 7,000. The ticket was 3,500 each for adults. So in total it was 7,000 for 2 people. And in US it would have worked out to about 25 USD per person. But the area is very common, like I like it. But it's a vibe here though. I can't believe I've never come here before. It's very bad. But if you feel like I feel, confusion can give way down. For there's times when I fall short of what I say. What I say, what I'm all about. You're a positive, motivating force within my eyes. Should you ever feel the need to know why? Let me know. Let me know. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. There's no need to make believe. No need to make believe. Look beyond your body, on your try to find a place for me. Gonna be alright.
Alright guys, so I can work with that, yeah man? Yeah man. So I want to say to you that guys, Bob Marley, so Bob born in the country, and then he moved downtown, and then he moved around town, and then he came uptown. Yeah man? Yeah man. So the country is called 9 Miles, and they call it downtown Trench Town, and they call motivating force within my life. Should you ever feel the need to know why? Let me know. Guys, we have, I didn't even know that they had one here. And they have loads more options than the Epicon one that we went to a few weeks ago. Let me know, let me know, let me know.
sample. Remember, say no give me the vape, you know.
I said something, it's sweet, it pays a vibrate so, how the bass?
You think a Manly man are going to next set up here a tickling face?
We don't know this. If Brittany
That is
and
some
Abby...
weird people are actually out there in the world, okay? So you may just be surprised, alright? Because there's some things out there in this world.
This ain't planet Earth. This clearly ain't planet Earth.
Well, congrats to her. Once again, I appreciate the fact that
We are at Devon House to get some of the world-renowned ice cream. Oh, they did a lot with the part. Let me show you guys. This looks amazing.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart.
Hey guys, I'm hosting my brother and a friend today, but I'm currently getting ready because I want to go to the Juve, and I just realized that I haven't done any makeup routine with you guys. This lighting is actually piss poor. So this is actually a very bad video, but just excuse me. I'm on a vibe, as you can probably see in my eyes. But I'm lit right now, boy. I'm too lit. Jamaica nice. People want to come back. Want to come back 3 to 6 months. Before life get too serious. When we can come back. Right now we can come back and catch with my family, and you see me? I have my property already, so that is the income in itself to kind of cover it and focus on my passion. Well, we didn't want to show up my makeup with the lighting boys, so I'm going to blend out all of them nonsense.
Between us just like picket fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, cause we're falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you, no. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my...
I love the light change. Feel the water. Feel warm and cool. Hey guys, I'm going to my first official carnival party this year, and this one is Juve. Don't even ask why I'm so cute. It's just a type. I'm just that type of girl, man. I'm just that type of girl. I didn't wear any earrings because I know I'm gonna lose them because it's like paint. Because it's a paint party, like you're meant to get painted and glowed, and then after that it turns into a night march. So it's 3 a.m. but it's 2:30 now. And the march kicks off at 3 a.m. That's the only part I wanted to see. I wasn't interested in all the paint and stuff, so that's why I'm all dressed up. But let's go on the road and see.
From the touch. Must can be a disaster, so can't do.
I can't blame you, no. Listen, harder building trust from a distance. I think we should rule out commitment now.
Guys, if we're not doing no concerts, if we're not doing a carnival party, we're not for the Juve.